Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this 3D greeting card. It comes just sitting nice and folded up, and you can leave it on this card, and then it has a nice big envelope that it will fit to put inside, and you can ship this. It will cost extra postage, so keep that in mind, or you can give it to them in person. But let's check out the 3D effect of this beautiful card. So you simply squeeze it, and you've got a nice 3D design. This is probably about 8 to 10 inches tall. It sits flat and just looks pretty from every angle. You've got some butterflies in there. The colors are vibrant and beautiful, and a cute little case at the bottom. And just if you don't want it out, you can easily get it flat again for easy storage. This does come with a small 3x5 card, so you can write your greetings on, whether this is for Mother's Day, for a birthday, anniversary, thank you, thinking of you, get well, whatever. This is not specified for any specific occasion, so you can use it for any occasion under the sun or just because. But absolutely love this, and I know the person you send this to will love it as well.